don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Kenang QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Golden Arrows 0. I'm joined by Umcho.
Sure, Tibo.
Sure, money.
Kosi for life, perfect.
Yeah,
Tina, we are Kosi for life.
Senshana manzi.
Sana manza kona siyaphambili siyemu.
Madoda.
Ngibuyele kemini perfect. I mean the Chiefs idlale kahle because of I think about 52% ball position ebesibambile lapha yana. So the only thing nje ureferee ngala mafoul amaningi bekawenike ezi Chiefs.
Sure.
Because mango checka Tina usinike 18 fouls and then he Golden Arrows only 1 foul.
Yeah.
So sicela nabo bo ref ba improve lapha. But alala nethi siyaphambili siyahloma siyahlasela ezinkala ngisho ukuthi sibafuna 1 by 1.
Yeah.
And then sasho namanje 1 by 1 siyaphambili come nge-28 will show Pirates umlilo flames. Yeah. Alana ngibonge kakhulu nje nakuma support Chiefs siyacela ukuthi abafana if bayenza ama mistake bangabalwisi because of mabebalisa babayenza ukuthi babe phansi. So thina kwethu ukuthi sibaphakamise yiloko nje ngicelayo kuma supporter wethu okuningi Kosi for life.
Thank you Rudman.
Thank you.
Thank you Rudman. Thank you Rudman. Thank you.